Glen Ellis Falls. We're in New Hampshire. Beautiful. Amazing. The people, if you hear people, they're swimming to the right of me. They're cold.